welcome to my channel, hope you're well. So today I've got literally 3 things to show you. I wanted to put up a video, went shopping with my sister the other day and picked up like a few things. I was going out specifically to find like something summery to wear because you know I really don't like summer. I can't, I look at the clothing and I think, oh my goodness. Went into Hollister, tried on a pair of shorts and was like, what is this? No. Like, I look ridiculous. I don't know how anyone can look so ridiculous in a pair of shorts than me. I've got one pair of denim ones that I got from Hush, which thank God for Instagram, someone recommended them. They're like kind of loose, kind of boyfriend jeans. Really nice. But what I haven't got, besides my Birkenstocks, is a proper pair of sandals, right? And I see everybody wearing these like chunky black sandals and it's quite trendy. I'd ordered some on ASOS, a size 2. They were massive. They were huge. I looked like I had 2 bricks on my feet, sent it back. Yesterday I went into Marks and Spencer's and I found these. And they are exactly what I've been looking for. Just some nice black sandals that I can wear with shorts and skirts, because my Birkenstocks, they're sort of like a mink suede. They're nice every day, but what if you're going for lunch or you're doing something a bit more, you're wearing a dress and you want it to look a little bit nicer. Also, I need something to grip my ankle because I tend to fall out of my shoes. And you cannot go wrong with Marks and Spencer's. I love their shoe section, but it's really give and take, hit and miss. I'm a size 3. Well, no, I'm not. I'm a size 2, but I've bought a size 3 because they seem to fit. And this holds my foot in, and it's got lots of buttons in there, so I can fit that in. I remember having a pair of wedges years ago from Marks and Spencer's, and they were amazing, and I wore them forever. And I wish I'd bought them in every pair, in every shade, because they were the best wedges. They were comfortable, they were gorgeous, they were lovely, they fit me. I didn't know how, why, you know. But once in a while you can find a really good pair. They're comfortable, they're good quality, they're gonna last. I don't know why, but there's like, this was the only size 3 in the entire section of all the shoes I could find. Like, if we've all got such small feet, why aren't there more small sizes available? I don't understand it. Are people squeezing their big feet into small shoes? That's just what I imagine they're doing. Anyway, I thought these are great. I love them. I can wear them with my grey jeans. Now I just need to get a pedicure, so I've booked that in. And I only ever do a pedicure once a year, and that's honestly once a year, June, July, for the summer. That's it. I never do it again. But I just feel like if you're going to wear open toe shoes, it's nice to have polish on toes. And I've tried to do it myself. It never dries long enough. It always scuffs. It never looks as shiny as shellac. So I'm going to go and do that on Monday so I can be prepared and go, right, that's it. This is my summer out wardrobe, my shorts and this and shirt, dresses, and that's it. Let's leave it at that. Okay, then I picked up, I was looking for, I wanted to go to the BareMinerals counter, which I did, but whenever you go to a counter these days, I mean, not always, but they're always restocking it. Like, you know, they're always dithering about. Like, there was 2 of them. I was like, look, how am I supposed to, you know, I'm like, because I'm trying to, and you're, you know, and I thought maybe I'd find some of the old products, but they didn't have barely anything. I was just like, and I was so like, it was in the corner and there was 2 of them putting stuff in and I was just like, I can't really be bothered now. I had a look at Estee Lauder at the powders, which I've actually ordered Estee Lauder Loose Flattery in Translucent Glow. I was gonna get matte, but the reviews for the Translucent Glow are out of this world and it's sold out on John Lewis, on Estee Lauder. I managed to find it on Notino because I thought, well, there's something about this Luminous Glow that must be really, really good. So I've ordered that. That's going to come any day now. And then as I mooched around Boots, I saw the Sculpted by Aimee kiosk. Is it a kiosk? And I did swatch the foundations on my hand, but you know, I would love it if there was a representative at the concession, that's what it is, concession. I'd have loved it if there was a representative there, because I would love nothing more to be sat down, you shade match me, I'd buy it all, the concealer, everything. I'm an easy sell. But for me to figure out, I can't, I'm just like, no. But I saw these. And it's the Sculpted by Aimee Eyeliner Duo. And on one end you've got, it comes in black or brown. And on the other end, you've got a nude shade. And you know what sold me on this? I swatched on the back of my hand and I was like, that reminds me of Estee Lauder coffee. Look at that. That's exactly what Estee Lauder coffee looked like, and I can't find it anywhere. And then we've got the nude, and I've got it on today. Look at that, it's beautiful. I've got the nude in my there, and then that as a liner. And I just think it's so nice, because I thought, I want to try stuff from her. I love the packaging, like the pink and the gold. But I'm just going to try one thing first, and this is amazing. So if this is amazing, I mean, it glides on the eye beautifully, then I can assume that everything else is pretty good too. But I really would like an event. I don't get invited to any events. There's so many events, blogger events, you know, okay, I'm going to moan here now. Yeah, I am going to moan. In Guildford and this and that. And I always see everybody at these events. And I never get invited. And I've been doing this for like 15 years. How am I still not getting an invite? I also picked up this mascara. This is the Collection Mile High. And again, upon Nadine Baggett's recommendation, because she said it was a dupe of the Maybelline Sky High. Maybelline? I'm saying it so weird. I've got it on today, and I've had the Maybelline Sky High. And I think it's quite nice. I think it's done, I've used it twice so far, today and yesterday, and I think it's, it does give nice long lashes. It layers up really nicely. So I'll let you know how I get on with this. It feels like there's nothing in there, but it says soaring length, uplifting volume. I love the packaging. It's gorgeous. So this is one to try, and Collections, cheap as chips, you know? Get someone at the bleeding bus stop. Okay, now, the last thing I bought is the Biore Aqua Rich UV Watery Essence. And I got this because Nadine Baggett was talking about it on one of her skincare lives, and she said it's a brilliant SPF. I'm pretty sure this is the one. Or maybe I'm wrong. I'm going to double check that, but I'm pretty sure it's the Biore UV Watery Essence. It must be. But it says, protect your pores. Vegan friendly, won't clog pores, dermatology tested. It sounds really good. And I'm sure I've used moisturisers from them before. It says it absorbs instantly on all skin types with a sheer finish, no white cast, works great under makeup. Whenever something says works great under makeup, I'm sold. I haven't tried it yet because I'm still finishing my Purito, which is nearly finished. And this was on deal in Boots, so I thought I'll get it now. So I've got it, and I can try it. And she said it doesn't sting your eyes, because the other day I put on La Roche-Posay, and my eyes were like, not even streaming, my eyes kind of start to close and get really heavy. And I think it's something in the sunscreen. But when I use the Purito one, I put it all over my eyes, and it doesn't sting at all, even at the end of the day when my face is really oily. So there we have it. I'm actually just looking at something and thinking I want to do a favourites, because there's a few things I've been using and I think I should share them. So I won't ramble. I shall let you get on. I'm sure you've got stuff to do. I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee and hopefully sit on the terrace. I hope you're well, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.